We'd like to thank you for trusting in us. Our goal is simple: help you achieve instant results as fast as possible in the quickest amount of time. We hope we've done our job and you have gotten a ton of value. What is there to do now? Simple. Head over to www.instantseries.com and sign up for our newsletter to stay up to date with the latest instant developments if you haven't done so already. Be sure to check the other titles within the Instant series. If there's something you'd like to be added, be sure to let us know, for as always, we love your feedback. Yes, we're on social media. Don't forget to follow us. Facebook.com/Instant Series, Twitter.com/Instant Series, plus.google.com/plus Instant Series. Thank you, and we wish you all the best. The Instant Series team.